To change your Snapchat profile picture to a new Bitmoji selfie, start by tapping on your profile icon in the top left corner of the app. This opens your profile screen. Next, tap on your current Snap code, which is your personalized Bitmoji on a yellow background. You will then see the option to change selfie. Tapping this allows you to pick a new Bitmoji selfie pose. The Bitmoji app may prompt you to take an action like turning on notifications. If so, tap Skip to go directly to the selfie selection page. Browse the available Bitmoji selfie poses and tap on the one you want to use as your new Snapchat profile picture. This will select it and put a check mark on the selfie. Finally, tap Done to confirm your new Bitmoji selfie selection. That's all there is to it. Your profile will now display the new pose you picked. You can repeat these steps at any time to change up your Snapchat profile picture with a fresh Bitmoji selfie. It's a quick and easy way to update your look.